Welcome to our channel. Today we how to verify Slack OAuth scopes for your app step by step clearly. To verify OAuth scopes for your Slack app, start by logging into your Slack workspace. Navigate to the Slack API website. Select your app from the list of created applications. In the left sidebar, click on the OAuth and Permissions option. Scroll down to find the Scopes section. Review the scopes you have added to your app. Make a note of the permissions each scope grants. Next, check the permissions required for the features your app will use. Visit Slack's API documentation for detailed information on each scope. Compare your app's required scopes with the added scopes. If you find missing scopes, return to the OAuth and Permissions page. Add the necessary scopes under the Bot Token Scopes or User Token Scopes section as needed. After adding scopes, save your changes. Now, proceed to the Install App section in the left sidebar. Reinstall your app to apply the new scopes. Test your app to ensure it functions as expected with the added permissions. If any issues arise, revisit the required scopes and adjust as necessary. To finalize your verification, use the Slack API testing tools to check scopes in action. Review any error messages for clarity on permissions. Once verified, document the scopes for future reference and compliance. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.